Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, you learn at school. Correct. Number 2, what are you? Yeah, that means what are you creating? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Are you good at math? Are you good at math? Math. Math is learning numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now we can make a flashcard for math. Please make a card like this. Write math up here in the top left corner, M-A-T-H. Down here, N1, this means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 99 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Math. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is making food now. Bob is making food now. Making. He is using many ingredients to create something for us to eat. Now we can make a flashcard for making. Please change make to everyday. Bob makes food every day. Make is an irregular verb. Please change it to yesterday. Made, because it is irregular. And present perfect, number 3, is also made. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to make something. Past tenses made and made. Please write those on your card. Down here, IV1, this means irregular verb, level 1. And over here, the number 19 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. Make. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned math, yes. And what are you making now? And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, you put a letter inside an envelope. Very good, with an L. Number 2, a landlord. Is that a book or a person? It's a person. You have to pay the rent to. Number 3, to join, of course. You know that one. SS means something or somebody. Today is show number 181, August 6th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for learning English here. See you tomorrow.